I am Dr. Kashish Grover. I am PSM faculty, and today we are going to discuss regarding medical entomology. Right? Some of the insects which they usually ask in exam, right? Very high yield points related to these insects. First of all, I am going to cover mosquitoes. As you know, there are four mosquitoes which are important for human health: Anopheles. As you know, there are four mosquitoes which affect human health: Anopheles, Culex, Aedes, and Mansonia. First point is regarding their eggs, right? Anopheles egg, A stands for Anopheles, A stands for Aedes. They both lay single egg, right? A stands for Anopheles, A stands for Aedes, and they both lay a egg, single egg. Rest to Culex and Mansonia, they lay egg in clusters, right? Now, Anopheles eggs are boat shaped, whereas Aedes egg are cigar shaped. As you can see here, Culex eggs are raft shaped. They are in clusters and they look similar to a raft. Raft is made up of bamboo which floats over the surface of water. Now let us see Anopheles eggs. Anopheles eggs, right? These are Anopheles eggs. Please read it like egg, right? So these Anopheles eggs, they have lateral floats. This is known as lateral float, right? This is known as lateral floats. These lateral floats are absent in Aedes egg, right? These lateral floats are absent in Aedes egg. You can see here, these are Culex eggs. These are Culex eggs. These are Culex eggs, raft shaped. They are raft shaped. So this is like a raft. These are Aedes egg. These are Aedes eggs. They are cigar shaped, laid singly. Now coming to larva. Larva of these four mosquitoes. One point to note here is Anopheles larva. It is present over the surface of water. It is present over the surface of water, whereas Culex, Aedes, and Mansonia, their larvas are either deep in the water, or if they are at surface, their mouth is downward, so they need a siphon tube to breathe, right? So siphon tube is absent in Anopheles because the head is upward towards the surface of water, whereas in these three, siphon tube is present. Siphon tube is present. Adult mosquito. Anopheles sit at an angle with the ground, right? Culex has a hunchback appearance, and Aedes has spotted wings. As you can see here, spotted spots over there, right? So this is Anopheles. It makes an angle. It sit inclined with the ground. This is Culex. Can you appreciate the hunchback appearance? Can you appreciate it is not making any kind of angle? Then Aedes, as you can appreciate here, white spots, right? Now breeding place. Anopheles breeds in clean water, Culex in dirty polluted water, Aedes in artificial collection of water, Mansonia in rootlets of aquatic plants, right? So what are the diseases caused? Anopheles causes malaria, Culex causes JE, Japanese encephalitis, and lymphatic filariasis. Lymphatic filariasis. Mansonia causes, it causes Bruggian filariasis, whereas Aedes causes dengue, yellow fever, Zika, and chikungunya. Anopheles is also known as sophisticated mosquito, and you know, clean sophisticated people, they wear clean clothes. so it is in clean water. Nuisance people, they wear dirty clothes. That is why Culex is in dirty water, and tiger mosquito, it is in artificial collections. So these days tigers are only in artificial zoo. You can remember this by this mnemonic, right? Now coming to sandfly. Sandfly has, you can appreciate here, lanceolate body, lanceolate wings. Point number one. So can you appreciate very bushy, very hairy? Yes. So sandfly is hairy, right? It causes sook. Sandfly fever, Oroya fever, Oriental fever, and Kala Azar. So female sandfly bites. Female sandfly bites, right? Now coming to rat flea. Rat flea has a conical body, no neck. Neck is absent. Also no wings. So this is the insect with no wings. So if this insect is having no wings, then it only jumps. Because no wings, it cannot fly. It only jumps, right? Rat flea causes plague, endemic typhus, and shigerosis. There is a concept of blocked flea. What is blocked flea? When this flea bites someone who is patient of plague, this flea gets some bacteria. These bacteria, they multiply in the gut, and their multiplication obstructs the gut. Now they further cannot ingest the food. They bite, they suck, but they cannot take the food inside. Because of this, they become hungry. They try to bite again and again, and this causes multiple bitings and multiple spread. It causes spread of diseases to multiple people, right? This is itch mite. It causes scabies. So this insect is having tortoise shaped body. Body with multiple folds. Female mite makes burrows in epidermis, and because of this, patient gets intense itching, especially this itching worse at night. So this causes, what is this? This is scabies. This is redwood bug. It causes Chagas disease. Redwood bug. This is soft tick and this is hard tick. Hard tick body, because of chitin, this body is hard, right? This hard tick causes HTV. H stands for hemorrhagic fever, human babesiosis. T stands for tick typhus, tick paralysis. V stand for viral encephalitis. Viral encephalitis. Soft tick causes relapsing fever. Soft tick causes relapsing fever. So, dear students, I have discussed almost all of the important entomology topics with their important high yield points, right? So I wish you all the very good luck